Hey guys, today I will show you how to earn Ethereum with MetaMask through staking and yield. So first, what you need to do is open your MetaMask wallet on the extension or mobile app and sign in. Make sure you already have Ethereum in your wallet. If you don't, you can either purchase ETH directly through the buy option in MetaMask or transfer it from another exchange or wallet. Once you have ETH, you can use the MetaMask staking feature. On the main screen, click Stake. MetaMask will then display staking providers such as Lido or Rocket Pool. Choose the provider you prefer, select the amount of ETH you want to stake, and click Continue. After that, MetaMask will pop up a confirmation window showing the staking details, gas fees, and the validator or service you selected. Review everything carefully, and if it looks correct, click Confirm. Your ETH will be staked and you'll begin earning rewards over time. Additionally, you can connect MetaMask to different DeFi apps. These platforms allow you to lend your ETH or provide liquidity in exchange for yield. Always make sure you use reliable and verified platforms before connecting your wallet. And that's it. That's how you earn Ethereum with MetaMask through staking and yield. Thanks for watching.